Hello. Hey.
Hi, so you say it's already started.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you for
See,
the challenge.
see, you have got the gift. See, this is the hosting advantage. You have got the gift. Okay.
Okay.
You will be the winner here on this platform. It's a good fun also.
I don't know. I never done PK.
Okay. So your account will be
Let me try to see. Yes,
your
I do Fox.
yeah. I'm from Bangladesh.
That's nice.
Yeah. And you from where?
Italy?
Oh, Italy, but your location showed me you from UK or something like that.
Because I did live in UK, but I
Oh,
am originally Italian.
oh, you are origin from Italy. Okay. Okay.
Guys, we need to win. Come on.
Okay. So,
Thank you for the hearts. Guys.
anyway, what do you do in the UK right now?
Um, I work.
Oh, you work. Okay. So, did you have to apply for visa for coming into the UK?
What do you say?
I said, did you apply
Oh my
for?
god, wow.
Yeah,
Thank you, Foxy.
as I said you, I'm a host.
Foxy.
As as I said you, I'm a host. This is the biggest advantage to come here on my platform.
Oh, Foxy is a host?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Because I'm Italian. I
Uh,
can do what I want because I'm Italian.
oh yeah. Okay. So what
I
kind of?
don't have gaming.
Yeah. Okay. What kind of work you do in the UK?
That's private questions. I don't answer private questions.
It's very hard to
Okay.
understand the English humor actually. Very difficult. But hey, can you give me some information about the UK? But they said we don't have any visa right now because of Brexit moment, because of pandemic of Corona. So is that right?
I don't know. To
Ah,
be honest, I don't know much about the government stuff. I don't know what they need or the requirements because, as I said, I'm Italian, so I don't have this problem.
yeah. Oh, okay. That's cool. So how long you? Is that a private question? How long you have been living in UK?
12 years. You should talk to
Oh,
me. Your English.
yeah, 12 years. It's long time.
Okay, babe. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, long time. So, what is the best place in yourself, Britain or Italy?
Italy. UK too expensive.
Oh,
If you don't have money, don't go UK. You will be broke.
oh
Change
yeah.
the PK, I will do.
Oh, okay. So best place. But what senses do you see between UK and your home country?
If you want, we can talk about it like privately. I'm gonna go now.
Oh,
It was nice to do the PK
oh, do you know?
because I do different stuff of my life. I don't really do PK challenges. So if you want to have a talk with me, just message me in private,
Oh,
okay?
okay, okay. So no problem. So thank you.
Okay. Bye.